Welcome back. The subcommittee of High-Powered Committee on Garbage Treatment under Digambar Kamath met on Saturday and resolved to begin with collection of data in Margao. They will ask municipality to call for a tender for surveying and collection of data. Committee has also decided to prepare a document for beat system which will collect house-to-house data.
And we review from time to time. Today in today's meeting, one decision has been taken which we had earlier recommended, that for collection of data with respect to the existing houses in the city of Margao, we have said that municipality shall call for the tender asking for surveying and collection of data so that you get ready-made data before we start even house-to-house collection. Number two, it was also decided to prepare a document for calling for bids of house-to-house collection. It is felt that it is advisable to go for house-to-house collection by calling for the bids. Number three, we have said that what has been tried in Madel, Madelak आमी experimental basis house-to-house collection केल्लें. थंय कितें कितें बारीक कितें त्रुटी आसात त्यो तातूंतल्यान परत एकदां सर्वे करून ते त्रुटी भरून काडपाच्यो आनी हळू आख्या फेज वायज आख्यान सुरू करपाचें. ताजे नंतर मागीर तें वाडयत वचपाचें अशें कांय डिसिजनां आयच्या मिटिंगेंत आमी ठरयलें.
Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Goa's chess prodigy Ivana Furtado has set her sights firmly on the target of becoming a grandmaster. Henceforth, the 14-year-old will not play in the age group chess competitions as she wants to challenge herself by playing in open events. Ivana has just proved her mettle against experienced players by winning the under-19 national title in Lucknow a couple of days ago.
A thunderous applause greeted Ivana on her arrival at Daburi Airport. Already having won numerous national and international events in the last 8 years, 14-year-old Ivana has now taken a big decision. Her father, Ali, announced that Ivana wants to grow by challenging her limits.
Ivana has set a certain benchmark for herself and a level for herself, and she will not be playing in the youth category. At the age group category, that is your under 13, under 15, under 17, and probably she may play the junior category because that will entail her enabling some exposure trips, etc. This is because Ivana has now to progress to a different level, and she has set her sights, having already a WIM title and one WGM norm. She wants to be nothing less than a grandmaster.
On her latest achievement of being the junior national champion, Ivana says,
"My goal was to come in the top 3, but I managed to win, so it was shocking for me. So I feel happy now that I've won."
You continuously won all the matches. The last round I think went draw.
Yes.
What was the thing?
I drew because I didn't want to take any risk. I was happy with a silver also if I had to get, but my progressive was better, that's why I got the gold.
A reporter from Vasco, Dishant Parab.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.